Facebook has introduced a new selfie verification feature to help keep accounts secure and prevent fake profiles. You'll land in Security and Login under Identity Confirmation. Facebook gives two options, a live video selfie or a photo ID. The selfie is faster. Step 1. Tap Start Selfie Verification and allow Facebook to access your camera.
Center your face, then follow the prompts. Turn, blink, open your mouth. This live motion proves you're a real person, not photo, and builds a 3D match against your profile picture.
Once matched, your account unlocks instantly. Your selfie data isn't shown on your profile, it's used only to confirm it's really you.